Hello everyone, that editing demon here once again with another video. If you're asking why do I look like this, I tried to make my profile picture in Wrapper, and I failed miserably. But this is not my normal editing video. This is one of my WrapperOffline videos. I have a certain thing I have to address to everyone who makes music videos on Wrapper and Goanimate as a whole, especially you, Shadow the Hedgehog. I am getting sick and tired of all of your characters not lip-syncing to the singer of the music. If you want proof, allow me. This is the main reason why I think Goanimate music videos are bad. I can easily do a whole video on that. This is why I am here today, to give you all the biggest advice I can give about lip-syncing in Wrapper, so this problem can be dealt with. Let's not waste time and get into the tutorial. The first thing you have got to do is Google up an instrumental separator or a search related to that. Click on the first result you see here, and you should be on this page. This website separates the instrumental and acapella. Click on the Browse My Files. Be sure to download the song you want to use. You should then be prompted on your Files page to open a song. Select the song you want to use and click Open. Wait for the loading to finish, and then you should get the separated instrumental and acapella. Download both of these, and we will use both of them in the video maker. Or as a second method, you can YouTube search the instrumental and acapella of the song you want, then download the audio, and once you have the music and the acapella, then it's time to head to the video maker. Open up WrapperOffline and select or make a new music video, and make the video your own with characters and props. And I am doing Helena by My Chemical Romance as an example, but you can do what you want. Now here is where my lip-syncing trick comes in. Watch closely. First, select the dialogue of the character you want to sing. Then choose Upload File. Now remember the acapella of the song you chose? That's now gonna be the dialogue of the character. Now the character will properly lip-sync to the vocals. Now detach the dialogue from the scene, and adjust if needed. You are almost there. Select Upload File, and then upload the instrumental of the song you chose to the editor. And finally, adjust the instrumental to play when it is supposed to. Congratulations, you made an actual lip-syncing Wrapper music video. Hooray for you. And now, the moment you have been waiting for. Let's see it in action.
Long ago, just like the hearse, you died to get in again.
And that was the tutorial. I hope you guys have learned a little something about lip-syncing in Wrapper, so you can try this at home. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. And until next time, see ya suckers.